Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Windows 11 login problems. So let's say you are facing problems with the login of your Windows 11 operating system, even though you know the correct password of your Windows 11 operating system. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So for this, what you need to do here is you need to press the shift key and then click on power button and then click on the restart button. So just click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced options. Now at this point, you need to choose startup settings option. So just click on startup settings, just need to click on restart. So at this point, we need to choose the number 5 option, which is enable safe mode with networking. So I'm going to press F5 key on my Windows 11 operating system. So once again, you will see the login option. So just provide the password which you remember and which has to be correct. So at this point, I'm going to provide my password and I know that this password is correct and I'm going to press enter. And now at this point, you will be able to see this kind of window. Now here, as you can see, we have started our Windows 11 operating system in the safe mode and you just need to restart your computer now. So you just need to click on the Windows icon and then click on the restart option here, which is going to restart your Windows 11 operating system. So now my computer is restarted, so I can just try my password once again and then press enter. And this time, hopefully, you will be successfully logged in to your Windows 11 operating system.